Ang mic. Merong ganito na ito. Test, test, test. Test. Check, check, check. Check, check. Earning versus calling. Earning versus calling South. And maayong gabi mga ka-Asenso. Welcome sa itong first Mayor Samico Asenso Barangay Cup. Our last game for tonight's Urban Division Games between Barangay Tiguma and Barangay Tawagan Sur. And Ramones missing that fade away. Para sa Tiguma, bola na sa Tawagan Sur. Namarkaban, pull-up jumper, no good. Offensive rebound, nope. Bola nakuha ni De La Peña. De La Peña to Relova, Relova cross-court pass to Ramones, Ramones for 3, no good. And ang bola nakuha ni Sabdula. Sabdula, Tubago, ball stolen by De La Peña. De La Peña for 3, no good, partially blocked. Now Cyril Marcaban attacking, and the layup is good. Nainso with the ball, pass to Abdul. Torelova on the low post, double team, pass to Abdul. Abdul jumper. Missed. Rebound by Kaka Marcaban. And Kaka Marcaban. Pass to Sabdula. Sabdula to Marcaban. Marcaban for 3. Kablam! Marcaban nailing that 3-pointer mga ka-Asenso para sa Tawagan Sur. It's 7-0 as we start our first quarter mga ka-Asenso. Now De La Peña with the ball. Pass to Ramones. To Abdul. Inside pass to De La Peña. Ball stolen by Cyril Marcaban. Long pass to Sabdula for the easy layup. And a timeout was called by Barangay Tiguma. With just 3 minutes gone through our first quarter mga ka-Asenso. And this timeout is brought to us by our Honorable Mayor, Mayor Samico. And may gabi diya sa tuwang mga live. And now a steal by Bago to Sabdullah with the easy layup. De La Peña to Ramones. Inside pass to Relova. And a turnover para sa Tiguma.
And shoutouts sa team Di Amigos o sa asawa na si Grace. Shoutouts, ang nagpa-shoutout si Idol Christian Sigera aka Yapo o Barangay Balintawa.
And now Bago with the ball to Cyril Marcaban. Cross-court pass to Sabdullah. Sabdullah, runner. No good. Bola nakuha ni De La Peña. And De La Peña with the layup. Now Cyril Marcaban, baseline drive, layup block by Relova. And ang bola nakuha ni De La Peña, pass to Abdul. Ball picked up by Relova and he was fouled.
Foul number 50, Sabdullah, first personal foul, first big foul.
And now Sasing with the ball. Pass to De La Peña. And ball deflected. Last touch, Tawagan Sur. A ball possession sa Tiguma. And a shot clock violation called against Tiguma.
And si Christian Sigera nangutan na. Pero sa championship, dugay pa ito.
And ball possession sa Tawagan Sur. Sabdullah and ball stolen by Abdul. Now De La Peña with the ball, attacking the basket. Layup no good. Thought he was fouled. Now Sabdullah. And a traveling violation called against Sabdullah. Now bola sa Tiguma. Ramones with the ball. Pass to the Fiesta to Abdul, to the cutting De La Peña underneath the rim and another turnover para sa Barangay Tiguma.
And shoutouts kay Chloe Yanyes Purisima, Tol, Mangopedia. Shoutouts po kay Pete Angelo Onastra and kay Payboy Regalado, Tol. Basta. Shoutouts sa itong mga live feed viewers karon.
And Ramones for 3, no good. Bola nakuha ni Bago. And the long pass to Silongan. Silongan with the layup. Now De La Peña. Crossover, layup missed. And the long pass to Sabdullah for another easy basket. And an early blowout para sa Barangay Tawagan Sur, cementing a 13-point lead by the first quarter. And now Relova. And Relova was fouled. Basket not counted.
Yes, shoutouts Payboy Regalado, Tol. Kamusta na?
Na ball possession sa Barangay Tiguma. De Fiesta to Castañeda. Castañeda back to De Fiesta for 3. In and out. Offensive rebound. Abdul missing the putback. Bola nakuha ni Bago and ball stolen by De Fiesta. Ball stolen by Bago. And Bago to Sabdula for the layup. And Sabdula nailing that basket.
Foul number 30.
And Relova was fouled.
Third team foul. Foul 1.
And Relova sinks the first throw. Relova nails both free throws, mga ka-Asenso. Now ball possession sa Tawagan Sur with 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining sa tuwang first quarter. Bola na kay Sabdula. Signaling the play. And a crossover, attacking. Drop pass. Now Cyril Marcaban off the glass. Basket is good. And another turnover para sa Tiguma. Seconds to play sa itong first quarter, mga ka-Asenso. Sabdula with the ball. And Sabdula with a crossover. Drop pass to Cyril Marcaban. Basket is good at may kasama pang foul.
Foul number 8. First foul. First team foul. Legal foul.
And Cyril Marcaban missing the bonus throw. And out of bounds, last touch, Tawagan Sur. 28 seconds remaining sa itong first quarter. Castañeda for 3, missed. Bola na kay Sabdula. And Democreto missing the layup, and that was our first quarter, mga ka-Asenso.
These wipers from Cuba. Vice field.
That was our first quarter, mga ka-Asenso. Ato score 14-21. 16-point lead by Barangay Tawagan Sur. And syempre, we would like to send our shoutouts kay Kagawad Cano Cruz ng Barangay Santo Niño. Maayong gabi ni mo diya, Kagawad.
Idol Edmar Rodiwalo. Shoutouts mo diya tol ng Team Tuburan. Mayang gabi nyo diya. Yes, Edmar Walo. One of the elite shooters ng Barangay Tuburan. Yes, yes.
And back to our ball game, mga ka-Asenso. Welcome sa tuwang second quarter.
Foul number 20. First long ball. First big ball.
Now De La Peña with the ball. De La Peña. Pass to Relova. Relova attacking. And Relova was fouled. Yes, and once again, shoutouts kay Edmar Walo.
Ball number 9. First long ball. Second big ball. Now Watson.
And shoutouts kay Oriel Encendencia from Dipolog City. And a miss. Bola nakuha ni Silongan. Now, Marcaban with the ball. Six on the shot clock. Marcaban to Bago, jumper, no good. Rebound by Omandam. Na Castañeda with the ball. To De La Peña. To Castañeda driving. Euro step and the layup is good. And the long pass to Kaka Marcaban for the easy layup. And De La Peña to Dagumo. To Castañeda. Back to De La Peña. De La Peña attacking. Drop pass to Relova. And Relova was fouled.
Ball number 9. Marcaban. Second personal ball.
Yes, and shoutouts kay JM Akapungo.
First big ball. Now Watson.
De La Peña for 3, no good. Rebound by Kaka Marcaban. And Silongan floating for the layup. Castañeda with the ball. Kick out to De La Peña. De La Peña was fouled.
And shoutouts sa mga live feed viewers ko na. Maayong gabi. Good evening sa inyong lahat.
Now Relova with the ball. Low post, inside pass to De La Peña, and De La Peña was fouled. And De La Peña nailing the first throw. And De La Peña nails both free throws. And now Sabdula will check back in para sa Tawagan Sur. Now Kaka Marcaban. And he was called with a traveling violation, mga ka-Asenso. And Relova with the basket. And a basket para sa Tawagan Sur. Now Castañeda with the ball. Driving. Drop pass to De La Peña. Reverse layup is good. And the long pass to Sabdula. Sabdula attacking. Basket is good at may kasama pong foul.
And good evening, maing gabi niya. Kay Utol, Roger Daldal Bailon. Maing gabi ni mo niya to. And kay Ben Alegre watching. And of course, kay Hasan Yuson Kasi.
Now Sabdula nails the bonus throw. And a commanding lead of 19 points para sa Tawagan Sur. Now Relova on the low post. Layup is good. Cutting the lead down to 17. Six minutes remaining sa itong second quarter. Now Sabdula to Bago. Bago for three. Kablam! Bago with a three-pointer para sa Tawagan Sur. Now Castañeda to De La Peña. De La Peña can't answer back. Omanda missing the putback. Dagumo to Relova. Relova turn around and a traveling violation called against Rene Relova. Now Bago with a layup. Basket is good. Now Castañeda with the ball. Crossing over. Floating. Layup missed. Bola nakuha ni Kaka Marcaban. Long pass to Silongan. And Silongan with the easy layup. And a timeout was called by Barangay Tiguma with 4 minutes and 38 seconds remaining sa tuwang second quarter. Ato score 14-38. .24 lead by Barangay Tawagan Sur. And this timeout is brought to us by our Honorable League Convener, Sir Lansco.
Yes, and shout out Sky. Idol. John Leo Uba of Uba Brothers, Team San Jose. And of course, kay Utol, Christian Yenya, may gabini mo na to, Team City.
Now back to our ball game. And now Lansco checked in para sa Barangay Tiguma. Lansco for three. No good. Rebound nakuha ni Democrito. Pass to Bago. Now Bago with the ball. Pass to Silongan. And a double dribbling violation called against Tawagan Sur. Ball possession will go to Barangay Tiguma. Imos was called with a double dribbling violation, mga kasenso. And a back to ball game. Bola na kay Relova to the cutting Ramones and a steal by Sabdula. Pass to Silongan. Silongan for the layup. Basket is good. Now Lansco to Relova. On the low post. Relova driving and the layup is good. Now Sabdula with the ball. Bago. to Sabdula. Sabdula attacking, inside pass to Bago. And a traveling violation called against Bago. And now Sasing will check in para sa Barangay Tiguma.
Number 6, Gabo.
Castañeda to Ramones for 3, air ball. Ball rebound by Tawagan Sur. Sabdula with the ball. Sabdula, drop pass. And there's a foul. Duma, rather Dua will shoot 2 free throws. Diwa will shoot 2 free throws. And the first throw is good. And Diwa was called with an entering to zone violation. Ball possession will go to Barangay Tiguma. Lansco for 3. Kablam! Lansco nails a 3-pointer. That's Abdullah with the ball. Pass to Bago. Bago, pull up 3-pointer, no good. Bola nakuha ni Abdul. And bola na kay Lansco. Now Lansco attacking. Runner. Basket is good. Back-to-back basket para kay Lansco. And a timeout was called by Barangay Tawagan Sur. With 1 minute and 51 seconds remaining sa to ang first half. At to score 21-41, 20-point lead by Barangay Tawagan Sur.
And shoutouts kay Kagawad Kyle Andong Peralta. Maayong gabi ni mo di atol. Shoutouts to the live viewers there. Yeah, please don't forget to share and comment, mga tol.
And back to our ball game. Sabdula to Bago. Bago for 3, no good. And last touch Tawagan. Ball possession will go back with Barangay Tiguma. Now Sasing with the ball. Pass to Ramones. Back to Sasing. Sasing. And a traveling violation called against Sasing. And a foul away from the ball. Foul called against Lansco. His second personal foul. Cross-court pass to Kaka Marcaban for 3. Kablam! Kaka Marcaban nailing that 3-pointer. Sasing. And a steal by Silongan. Silongan with the layup. Basket is good. Ramones to Abdul. Back to Ramones for 3. No good. Bola nakuha sa tawagan. Now Sabdullah with the ball. Bola na bitawan. And Sabdullah was fouled. 16 seconds remaining sa tuwang second quarter.
First ball. Beat ball.
Namarkaban to Bago. Bago with a jumper, no good. Bola nakuha ni Sasing. And that was our first half, mga ka-Asenso. Atong score, 21-46. 25-point lead by Barangay Tawagan Sur.
And shoutout sa mga live viewers. Tarungan ninyo, good luck. Half-time break. Standby lang ta. watching sa AD Beach karon. Maayong gabi mo diyan tol.
Now back to our ball game. Welcome sa tong third quarter mga kasenso. Inside pass to Marcaban. Kick out to Silongan. To Bago. Bago for 3. No good. Rebound by Relova. To De La Peña. De La Peña for 3. No good. Bola nakuha ni Silongan. Now Sabdullah with the ball. Sabdullah to Marcaban. Pull up jumper. Basket is good. Castañeda to De La Peña. Driving, layup is good. That may kasama pang foul.
Kanala. Bagong pangit.
And Castañeda will shoot the bonus throw. And Castañeda missing the bonus throw, gets his own rebound, pass to De La Peña. De La Peña to Relova. Relova attacking, reverse layup missed. And last touch, tawagan. Relova to De La Peña. De La Peña. Layup is good. Marcaban. Cross-court pass to Sabdullah. Sabdullah to Bago. And a traveling violation called against Bago. So ball possession will go back to Barangay Tiguma. Lansco to De La Peña. And an offensive foul called against Itukas. Cyril Marcaban driving, drop pass to Silongan, basket is good. Lansco to Relova. Relova attacking. And the floater is good. Sabdullah. Pass to Silongan. To Marcaban. Inside pass to Cyril Marcaban. Layup missed. Bola nakuha ni Silongan. And the basket is good. Now Lansco with the ball. Inside pass to Itukas. Kick out to De La Peña. De La Peña for 3. Missed.
Substitution. Number 11, Ramones for number 7.
And now Ramones will check back in para sa Barangay Tiguma. And a miscommunication right there para sa Tawagan Sur, a turnover. But the referee says last touch. So the referee says last touch, Tawagan Sur. Ramones to Castañeda. Castañeda for 3. Kablam! Castañeda nailing that 3-pointer, mga kasenso. Cutting the lead down to 22. And Sabdullah was fouled.
Foul number 60. Castañeda. First personal foul. First big foul. Big foul.
And a steal by Ramones. And Castañeda with the easy layup. Kaka Marcaban with the ball. Kaka Marcaban driving. And Kaka Marcaban was fouled. We'll go to the free throw line.
First personal foul. Second big foul. Big foul.
And Kaka Marcaban missing the first throw. Missing both free throws. Bola nakuha ni Ramones. Inside pass to Relova, stolen. And Sabdullah was fouled.
Yeah, basa lang daw gamay comment sa pod. Sa live sa pod.
Foul number 11. Ramones. First personal foul. Third big foul. Big foul.
And shoutouts ta sa 172 live feed viewers sa tuwang live coverage karon sa Asenso Sports Channel. Shoutouts kay Jonas Sumikad, kay Treblem Rasatlab, kay Jonas Sumikad, kay Gars Magsayo. Shoutouts ko sa Tiguma from Diplahan. And kay Melbert Baltasar. Shoutouts watching from Banawa, Cebu City. And De La Peña with the basket. And a foul called against Castañeda. Sabdullah was fouled.
Foul number 60. Castañeda. Second personal foul. Fourth big foul.
4 minutes remaining sa tuwang third quarter. Sabdullah with the ball. Pass to Marcaban. To Silongan. Back to Kaka Marcaban. To Silongan. 2 seconds to shoot. Jumper no good. Bola nakuha ni Bago. Cyril Marcaban. And a double dribble violation called against Cyril Marcaban. And shoutouts kay Jonas Sumikad from Tigumaers, kaya pa na. And a timeout was called by Barangay Tiguma with 3 minutes and 29 seconds remaining sa third quarter. Ato score 34-53, 19-point lead by Barangay Tawagan Sur. And si Marie, si Jana Sumikad, shoutout ko sa mga Tigumaers, kaya pa na. Yes, and of course, Aqua Live Feed, shoutouts po mga tol. Yes, and shoutouts kay John Phil Malon, kay Kagawa John Phil Malon, watching karon from Barangay San Francisco. And De La Peña with another basket para sa Tiguma, cutting the lead down to 17. And shoutouts kay Max Mango, watching karon. And now De La Peña with the ball. Pass to Ramones. Ramones for 3. No good. Bola nakuha ni Sabdula. To Silongan. To Marcaban. Marcaban for 3. Kablam! Kaka Marcaban nailing that 3-pointer mga kasenso. And shoutouts kay Gadsme Jangayo, watching from Ipil. Yes, maayong gabi ni mo di atol. And kay JC Niango, shoutout ko sa taga Gamalinda, back to back. And kay Mitzi Bienes Salarda, laban Tiguma. And kay Ronski Aseniero, shoutout mo sa idol sa players sa Tawagan Sur nila, Albenz Asis, Angeles Abdullah, and kay Diwa. And now Cyril Marcaban driving and he was fouled. And an unsportsmanlike foul called against Castañeda. And kay Inday Cyrus Tuwal, shoutouts with the sa live control. Mga nawong og shoutouts. De. Palangga na to na si Ma'am Sai o si Ma'am Rai. And si Patty, si MJ Saladaga sa Lugta, laban Tawagan Sur. And kay Alvi, shoutouts po Sir Quijano family from San Francisco, Pagadian City. And Cyril Marcaban nails the second throw. Now Bago for 3. No good. Bola nakuha ni Lansco. Lansco to De La Peña. To Ramones. Ramones driving. Drop pass. To Relova and last touch Tawagan. And a steal by Marcaban. Long pass to Silongan and a turnover para sa Tawagan Sur. Now bola sa Tiguma. And a steal by Cyril Marcaban. And now, long pass to Silongan. Layup is in. Lansco to Custodio. Back to Ramones. Cross-court pass to De La Peña. De La Peña attacking. Inside pass. Stolen by Marcaban. Seconds to play sa itong third quarter. Bago with a jumper. Short. Nakaka Marcaban for 3. No good. And that was our third quarter, mga kasenso. 36-60, 24-point lead by Barangay Tawagan Sur. And welcome sa itong fourth and final quarter para sa last game for today's Urban Division Games. Ramones with the runner. Basket is good. And the long pass stolen by De La Peña. Lansco for 3. In and out. And Sabdula with the reverse layup. De La Peña was fouled. And now Relova will check back in para sa Barangay Tiguma.
Personal foul. First big foul.
And De La Peña nails the first throw. And Ramones with the easy basket. Now back to our ball game. Marcaban with the ball. Pass to Cyril Marcaban. Driving. Layup missed. Democrito with offensive rebound. And Cyril Marcaban with a putback. And he was fouled. Now Relova to De La Peña. De La Peña fade away, no good. Bago, 7 seconds to shoot. And a turnover para sa Tawagan Sur. Ramones to Relova. Ball stolen by Bago. And Marcaban missing. And Marcaban with a putback. Ramones.
Shot clock 10. 8 seconds to shoot.
And a rebound by Democrito. Bago missed the layup. Castañeda for 3. Kablam! Castañeda nailing the 3-pointer. And Democrito with the layup. And Relova with the basket. And Democrito was fouled.
Ball number 80, Abdul. Second personal foul. Second big foul. Big foul.
And Democrito missing the second throw. De La Peña for 3. Missed. And Silongan was fouled.
Foul number 11, Ramones. Second personal foul. Third big foul. Big foul.
Now Castañeda to De La Peña. De La Peña. Layup is good. And Marcaban nailing that three-pointer.
Foul number 11, Waco. Statement, personal foul. Statement, green foul. Foul Robinson.
And both free throws was missed by De La Peña. And a timeout was called by Barangay Tawagan Sur with 3 minutes and 39 seconds remaining. Sa tuwang ball game at a score 48-72, 24-point lead by Barangay Tawagan Sur. And this timeout is brought to us by Mr. Burger and Daddy Burger ng Bayan. And Omanda missing the layup. And an 8 seconds violation called against Tawagan Sur. And the basket is good by Marcaban. And a timeout was called by Barangay Tawagan Sur. And this timeout is brought to us by our City League convener, Sir Lansco. And a turnover para sa Tawagan Sur. Omandam with a basket. And we are entering our final 2 minutes of our ball game, and this last 2 minutes is brought to us by CTG Construction. Dagumo missing the three-pointer. And Itukas was fouled. Defesta, rather Itukas was fouled. And Itukas nails the basket. And that was our ball game, mga kasenso. Our final score, 53-74. Winner Barangay Tawagan Sur.
Winner, Barangay Tawagan Sur. This is brought to you by Mayor Sonny Cole. Mayor Sonny, specified